Winter's here, the snow is falling on a car.
Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's your girl Kinky and I'm back with another wig review from Love Me Hair. This unit is a kinky straight unit and is a 13 by 4 lace front unit, guys. You guys can see the package. It says affordable luxury hair. This unit is gorgeous, guys. Now straight out of the pack, this is what it looks like, and here is a construction of the wig cap. It has adjustable straps, it has elastic band, and there are combs in it. So I'm just going to go ahead and start with this installation process, and as usual guys, I'm going to leave all details to this unit from Love Me Hair in the description box.
All I wanted was all I wanted was all I wanted was Christmas cheer and drinks with friends we haven't seen for a while, since I've been to that little town called home. Pine tree dressed up with every ornament we got, and stockings hung with overflowing from the top. And I hear sleigh bells bouncing off the halls as the church choir sings along. Feel my heart melt when you walk through those doors. For Christmas, you're all I want. All I wanted was you. 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 And I hear sleigh bells. All I wanted was you. Feel my heart melt. All I wanted was you. I was ready to surrender my heart to you, only you. These lights all around me keep blinding my eyes from you and the truth. Don't tell me, don't tell me, don't tell me why. I know, no, no, you won't save my life, save my life. Baby, keep on, you making the waves. You and I will never be safe. If the walls come down.
This is what I have after installing this unit. It melts perfectly well, like it's giving scalp, okay, and it looks so natural. This unit is a must have, okay. I'm going to leave all details to this unit in my description box. Now take a look at this airline, guys. Take a look at this, okay. Now this is giving scalp, okay. It looks so perfect, and I totally love this kinky straight unit from Love Me Hair. All details to this hair will be in my description box. It looks like it's a natural hair, guys. This is so beautiful. I'm going to do other styles and show you guys other ways you can wear this unit, and that is it, okay. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
I was ready to surrender my heart to you, only you. don't tell me why. I know, no, no, you won't save my life. Save my life. Baby, keep on your making the waves. You and I will never be safe. Be safe. If the walls come down, will you pick me off the ground? If the walls come down, will you save me or burn me down?
It's the calm before the storm. Things aren't as they were before. You best start bracing. Did you think you could keep us out? Shut the gates, forget us now. Tides are changing. Can you hear the sound? Can't stop us now. We're not back in town, know what we're doing. Things are about to change, it's everything.